I changed how I type on iPhone forever, and I'm sure you will type faster after knowing these tips and tricks of keyboard in iPhone. Instead of tapping on each word in the keyboard, there is a faster and cooler way to type. You can use slide to type. You just have to slide over the words. It's basically you not lifting your finger compared to tapping on each individual word in order to type. Three finger swipe to the left to undo, and three finger swipe right to redo. Double tap to select the last word. Double tap on a particular word to select that word, and triple tap to select the whole thing. Tap and slide to a character to type that character. Double tap on caps to lock the caps lock. Tap on an empty space and then tap on the right arrow and then insert divider line. To add a cross line over a character, double tap on it and choose the toolbox option. You can move around the cursor by tapping and holding on the space bar. You can do the same by sliding two fingers across. Swipe from the caps lock to a particular word and it will type it in the uppercase. Here are the keyboard settings that I use. I've turned off one-handed keyboard. I've enabled character preview, disabled haptic feedback, and I have enabled the sound. I have enabled auto capitalization, disabled auto correction, enabled predictive text, show predictions inline, show maths result, disabled check spelling and grammar. I've enabled caps lock, smart punctuation is off, slide. Double tap on the spacebar to enter a full stop. So these were my tips and tricks for keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please drop a like. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Peace.